Hello everyone and welcome back to the ONYX Automotive YouTube channel. My name is Spencer and today I'm going to show you the PPF process on this Lamborghini Urus that is right next to me. This is actually a brand new Lamborghini Urus, it has pretty much no miles on the vehicle. But today we're going to apply xpel paint protection to the entirety of this vehicle, covering pretty much every single panel that has paint on it. Literally every single panel. Even some bits on the interior. So now it's going to go out into the wash bay, it's going to get fully decontaminated, so when we apply the paint protection film, there is no dirt or debris or any iron underneath the PPF, just to make it a very nice install. We're going to show you some insights to our preparation process, and it's going to come back in straight into the PPF bay, and the whole car is going to get protected. Let's show you that right now. And welcome to the interior of this Lamborghini Urus. Definitely one of my favourite interiors on any vehicle. We've even paint protected both of these screens in the centre console as well as down here, Obviously that's where your hands are going to be touching the most. And obviously you don't want any of your fingernails to be scratching this perfect gloss black paintwork. And you can't even tell that it's been PPF'd, but it has. So that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you enjoy these paint protection install videos, then make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel with notifications on, because we do absolutely loads of these jobs. And if you find them satisfying like I do, you'll definitely love the other videos that we've done on this channel. So make sure you go check out all those other videos. And if you're interested in having your car paint protected to protect your car from stone chips and scratches, then make sure you check out our description, go on our website and have a look at all the different packages we have to offer and find one that suits you. Anyway, I've been Spencer, this has been ONYX Automotive, and this has been the Lamborghini Urus, and I'll see you guys in the next video.